Have you ever fantasized about wealth that grows on its own while you sleep? What if I told you that this isn't just a fantasy, but a financial strategy that's been unlocking the doors to wealth for countless individuals? Welcome, where today we're delving into one of life's greatest financial enigmas, the art of getting rich through passive income. Is it really possible to build wealth with minimal ongoing effort? Can you truly step off the treadmill of trading hours for dollars? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the compelling truth behind passive income and its transformative power in wealth building. If you've ever questioned the hustle and grind culture, wondered how the rich seem to get richer, or pondered over the secrets to financial independence, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're not just chasing after riches, we're chasing after smart, strategic wealth that lasts. So ask yourself, are you ready to challenge what you know about making money? Are you prepared to shift gears from active earnings to passive prosperity? If the answer is a resounding yes, then let's set sail on this wealth-building voyage together. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear passive income? Rental properties? Stock dividends? Maybe even writing a best-selling book? Sure, all of these can be part of the picture, but there's more to it. Passive income is about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. It's the cornerstone of wealth building that can lead to financial freedom. Now let's get something straight. Passive income doesn't mean no work is involved. It often requires a lot of upfront effort and a touch of maintenance. But the key difference is that once it's set up, it doesn't require your direct time to earn money. This means you could be sipping coffee, reading a book, or even catching Z's, and your bank balance could still be climbing. That's the allure of passive income. When we peel back the layers, passive income is essentially about creating systems that generate cash flow without requiring your constant attention or presence. It's the dream of earning while not being actively involved, a way of building a self-sustaining financial engine. But let's be clear, the road to passive income is often paved with active effort initially. Whether you're buying and managing rental properties, researching and investing in dividend-yielding stocks, or spending countless nights writing a book, the groundwork requires dedication and hard work. However, once these passive income streams are established, they have the potential to pay dividends, quite literally, for years to come. It's about front-loading the work, setting the stage for income that continues to flow in whether you're at the computer, spending time with family, or traveling the world. It's this allure of financial freedom and flexibility that draws so many to the concept of passive income. The beauty of passive income lies not just in the financial rewards, but also in the lifestyle it affords. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, to volunteer, to live life on your terms. That's the essence of what passive income offers. A life not dictated by paychecks, but powered by the wealth you've built. So, how can you tap into this wealth-building power? It starts with understanding the different types of passive income. There's investing income like dividends and interest, where your money multiplies in the financial markets. There's real estate, where rental income can be a game changer. And there's the digital realm, with opportunities like blogging, affiliate marketing, or creating an app. Now, real estate is often hailed as the king of passive income. Whether it's owning a rental property or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, the potential for significant rental income is enormous. However, it's crucial to factor in the responsibilities that come with property management. Thankfully, options like REITs can minimize hands-on involvement while still providing exposure to the real estate market. Shifting gears to the digital landscape, the opportunities are as vast as the internet itself. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel can lead to income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Developing an app or a digital product can create an income stream that scales without the ceiling of your personal time. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about and leverage it into content or a product that provides value, which in turn can generate income. But let's get real, getting rich isn't about quick tricks or overnight success. It's about strategy, patience, and smart decisions. Building wealth through passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. And it's not just for the wealthy elite, it's accessible to anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. Whatever route you choose, the secret sauce is consistency and quality. It's not enough to start, you must maintain and grow your passive income sources. and that requires a blend of patience, persistence, and passion. With a foundation of knowledge, early investments, and diversification, you're on the right path. But let's add another layer to this strategy: automation. Automate your savings and investments wherever possible. This ensures you consistently contribute to your passive income streams without the temptation to skip or divert funds elsewhere. It's about making your wealth-building journey as effortless as possible. Next, reassess and adjust regularly. The economic landscape changes, and so should your strategies. Keep an eye on market trends, new opportunities, and the performance of your existing income streams. Adjust your approach as needed to optimize for maximum growth. Finally, cultivate patience. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-surely plan. Wealth accumulates over time, and the most successful passive income earners are those who recognize and respect this process. They don't chase after the next big thing. Instead, they focus on building and maintaining income streams that offer sustainable growth. And remember, while passive income can help you achieve financial independence, it also requires financial discipline. Stay committed to your goals, and don't let short-term desires derail your long-term ambitions. By incorporating these steps into your financial routine, you're not just dreaming of wealth, you're actively constructing it. Now, are you ready to take the next step and turn these strategies into action? Let's find out. Taking the next step means moving from planning to doing, from theory to practice. Start by setting clear, achievable goals for your passive income. Whether it's to cover a utility bill each month, save for a vacation, or eventually replace your salary, having a tangible target will give your efforts direction and purpose. Once your goals are in place, begin with one passive income stream. It could be investing a small amount in a dividend-paying stock or setting up a high-yield savings account. The key is to start small and scale up. As you become more comfortable and your knowledge expands, you can gradually increase your investments and explore new avenues. Don't forget to leverage the digital tools and platforms available today. From investment apps that round up your change to invest in stocks, to online marketplaces for selling your digital products, these tools make it easier than ever to build and manage your passive income streams. And as you venture into this journey, track your progress. Use budgeting apps or financial spreadsheets to monitor your income streams. This not only keeps you informed, but also provides motivation as you see your passive income grow, reinforcing the reality that with each step, you're crafting the financial future you desire. So, let's make it happen. Embrace the journey, celebrate the milestones, and build the wealth you've always envisioned. Ready to get started? Let's build that empire, one income stream at a time. And remember, while passive income can eventually lead to wealth, it's also about financial stability and freedom. It's about having the choice to work because you want to, not because you have to. All right, wealth builders, we've just scratched the surface of the passive income iceberg. It's a powerful force in the wealth-building world, and it's waiting for you to harness its potential. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content and join our growing community.